You see that orange logo popping up on every social feed you scroll through lately. It promises a shortcut to brilliance. Just 15 minutes of your morning, and suddenly you are an expert on the Renaissance or the inner workings of the human mind. It is a seductive pitch. We all want to feel like we are evolving. I decided to pull back the curtain on this MyGrowth platform to see if the substance actually matches the style. On the surface, the machine works quite well. You get these crisp, bite-sized lessons. You can read them while you drink your coffee. You can listen to them while you are stuck in traffic. The subjects are heavy hitters: history, math, psychology, and art. These are the pillars of a classical education shrunk down into digital nuggets. People seem to enjoy the experience. The reviews are glowing for the most part. A high rating on major feedback sites across over 1,000 users suggests that the interface is smooth. The quizzes actually help things stick in your brain. The streak tracker hits that little dopamine button that keeps you coming back for more. But here's where the story gets a bit more complicated. When you look at the menu, it feels like a feast. There are 52 topics. That sounds like a lot of ground to cover. However, all those topics are squeezed into just those 4 main categories. The marketing makes it feel like a vast ocean of knowledge. In reality, it is a well-manicured pond. If you commit to just one lesson every single day, you will hit the bottom of that pond in exactly 1 year. You will have seen every single thing they have to offer for a monthly subscription price of $25. That is a tough pill to swallow. Most subscription services keep growing. They add new shows or fresh articles. This one feels more like a digital textbook that you are renting at a very high premium. Then there's the matter of your wallet. This is the part that catches people off guard. We have all been there. You download an app. You try it out. You decide it is not for you. You long press the icon and hit delete. You think you are done. With this particular service, you are very much not done. Deleting that icon does absolutely nothing to stop the billing cycle. You have to go deep into your phone settings to sever the tie. If you forget, that $25 is gone. The 7-day trial is a blink of an eye. You have to be decisive. If you're not careful, you are paying for a finite library that does not seem to have a roadmap for future expansion. The content quality is actually high. The lessons are well crafted. The delivery is professional. If you are someone who struggles to pick up a book but will happily tap through a screen, it might be worth it for a few months. Just do not expect an infinite journey. Expect a fast-track course with a very clear ending. It is about knowing what you are buying before the recurring charge hits your bank statement. Most people skip the fine print because they are excited about the self-improvement aspect. That excitement is what the marketing team counts on. They want you to see the growth, but they do not want you to see the ceiling. Every tool has its place. This one is for the person who wants a sprint. If you want a lifelong learning partner, you might find the library a bit quiet after a while. Make your choice before that 7th day rolls around. The truth is usually more interesting than the advertisement. Knowledge is power, but knowing how you are being billed is even more powerful. Stay curious and keep your eyes on the settings menu.